Hey guys, welcome back to another TEKDEP repair video. In today's video, we're going to be repairing a Dell Inspiron 16.1. This is in for an OLED LCD repair. If you're planning on repairing your Dell Inspiron yourself, we have all the parts and tools you need, no matter what model it is. Head over to TEKDEP.com, pick up whatever you need. And if you decide you don't have the time or expertise and would rather leave it to the professionals, we accept mail-in repairs from all over the country at TEKDEP.com. So hit us up, we'll get you all fixed up. So since this unit came to us from another shop with the bottom case already removed, we can't show you that footage. But to prepare the LCD for removal, you're gonna have to remove these 7 screws here and unplug these 4 flex cables. Alrighty, so now that we already have that LCD we pulled in the last video from one of our stock units, we're gonna go ahead and put this client's unit that we already disassembled on that screen here and bend the hinges down. And this is just a reverse process of everything we did in that other video. So we're gonna go ahead and start with that main LCD connection here. Make sure it's lined up correctly. These can go in sideways, not really upside down, but they can go in sideways. And if you put it in the wrong way, you will damage the pins. So make sure you line that up real good there, and then push the retention bar over and down. It will snap into place. It'll be very flush against that connection if it is correctly seated. And before putting that secondary board on, we're going to plug in these connections below here. These are going to be for the microphone and webcam, as well as the touch screen. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and place this bracket on top and put the final touchscreen connector in place and close the retention bar on top of it. And then using our Phillips screwdriver, we're going to screw these Phillips screws in on either side of this bracket that are going to hold it in place. We're going to take one more second here just to make sure everything's plugged in and seated correctly. And then we're going to move on to screwing in the LCD hinges here. There is only 2 screws on the right hand side and 3 on the left. All the other screw holes are for the bottom case, so make sure you do not screw those in, or else you will not be able to secure the bottom case correctly. I like to go a finger tight and then a quarter turn, just to make sure that these don't come loose later, and then you'll get a floppy hinge if they do. After plugging in the battery connector here, we're just going to line up the bottom case and then snap it into place. And then I like to start with the 3 captive screws at the bottom here. This just helps align the panel if you start in the center and work outwards. You don't necessarily have to, it's just how I like to do it. As long as you get all the screws in correctly, everything should be okay. Alrighty, wrapping up the bottom case here, and as you can see, it's as simple as that to replace the LCD on your Dell Inspiron. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments below. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and visit TEKDEP.com for all the tech needs you may have. See you in the next video, guys.